Everyone, welcome to my online class. I am present with chapter number 16 of environmental studies. Title of this chapter is Alia and the birthday party. So through this video I am going to teach you about exercise of this chapter. So let's start this class. EVS chapter 16. The title of this chapter is what? Alia and the birthday party. This is a fourth part of this chapter. What? This is a fourth part. And first I am going to write this question answer. Question is answer these questions. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Question number one. Question number one is what does a clock tells us? What does a clock tells us? Answer will be a clock tells us what time it is. Question number 2. Question number 2 is how many hands a clock has? How many hands a clock has? Name them. Name them. Answer will be a clock has three hands. Three hands. Name. This is first answer. Second question is name them. So first is E. Minute hand. Okay. First is longer hand or bigger hand. Bigger hand is called minute hand. Smaller hand is called hour hand. And the number C is thinnest. Thinnest hand is called second hand. Second hand. So you can see that I have written two answers on the board. First question is what does a clock tell us? Tells us. Answer will be a clock tells us what time it is. Second question, how many hands a clock has? Name them. Answer is a clock has three hands. Bigger hand is called minute hand. Smaller hand is called hour hand, and the thinnest hand is called second hand. Now I am going to write the next some questions after erasing these questions. Number 3. Question number 3 is what does directions tell us? What does directions tell us? Answer will be directions tell us direction, tell us where a place is. This is third number answer. Question is what does directions tell us? Answer will be directions tell us where a place is. Through this direction we can find any place easily. Question number 4. Question number 4 is how many main directions? How many main directions? Name them. Name them. Answer. Answer will be there are four main directions. There are four main directions. Name them. Name will be north, N-O-R-T-H, north, put comma, south, put comma, east and west. East and west. So these are four main directions: north, south, east and west. Okay, I have written 4 questions. Now I am going to write some other question also. Question number 5 is in which direction in which direction in which direction the sun rises and the sun sets. In which direction the sun rises and the sun sets? Answer will be the sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. In which direction the sun rises and the sun sets? The sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. Question number 6. Question number 6 is what is a leap year? And the second part of this question is when does it happen? When does it happen? Two questions in question number 6. First question is what is a leap year? The second question is when does it happen? ये कब होता है? Answer will be a year. Answer will be a year that February, February, a year that February has 29 days instead of 28 is called a leap year. This is a definition or this is the answer of first part of this question number 6. What is a leap year? A year that February has 29 days instead मतलब क्या स्थान पर? Instead of 28 is called a leap year. And then I am going to write the second part answer of the second part of question number 6 in the upward. Okay. Second part is when does it happen? After this, it happens after every 4 after every 4 years. After every 4 years. So this is the answer of the second part of question number 6. It happens after every 4 years. If you want, you can write this 4 in digit also, either in digit or in word. So student, through this video we have learned some we have learned some question answer of this chapter number 16, Ali and the birthday party. All of you will write this question answer also in your notebook. Thank you.